Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, we have an exclusive thing I come from out of Seaview Garden. Seeing some things are going down there over Soviet. Yo, we want to solve that equation, yeah. Because enough little things are going, power struggle, man are dead. And them things there, and countryman want to solve that equation, yeah. Now, look on the screen in front of you. You have two youth. You have a youth on the left. We will call him Brown Man or Scary. That's Rowan, you see? It's a sunrise. That him lose him life in a whole harbor. And you have another youth on the right side. That a Willie. The man them dash him away. In a 1 yard. Me have all the video and all them thing there. So, I want to follow me, you know. Probably try to solve that equation, yeah. Watch this. Now, my people, take a look at the screen in front of you. Now, you see the youth to the right, Scary, and him get dash way at one bar. You see the youth to the right and brother-in-law, Scary there with that youth, the sister. So now, follow me now. Scary, the man a do good. The man buy a house in a whole harbor and buy some car. And I doing things, see? So, the day now, him buy a new car. And him go over that youth side. Him have 4 and shot at them, you know. Go over there. And they have one bar. And when the man there at the bar actually, remember now when him just buy a new car and a body, no know him car, just search man where they round him. So when the man there at the bar start, some man just walk up and come in at the bar, drive up, and start put it on the man dog. And only one man get touching him shoulder, you know. And the other 3 man them not get touching out. Them no man can give account of nothing, dog. You see me I say? No man can give account of nothing. No. The man will get touching on him shoulder. Want to follow that equation, you know. The man will get touching on him shoulder. Jumping on one of the bars car, you know. And drive himself to the hospital and leave the boss out there. I want to follow this. This looks suspicious to me, yo. Straight up. Yes, my people, so I want to follow me. Panda, equation, yeah. Look on the screen in front of you. Where I meet the player them in this equation. Now, to the top left, you have the brother-in-law and Scary. You have Dog. To the right, you have Scary. And Johnny, we will call him Johnny Big Brother, Johnny Big Bro. Now, in the middle, you see Mike and Scary. In par with the man them, religiously. Now, that youth here, Mike, something very... may I ask a question about him? Because to me, him look like him are the biggest suspect. So I want the people and give me them opinion. So we have to talk about it on the next screen. So yo, that's Mike and Scary. Now, if you look to the right of the screen, you have Scary and Nicholas. So, like I said before, Scary buy a new car and him and him crew pull up. Now, when him there at the bar, you did have Nicholas and you did have Dog, him brother-in-law, Poppy, And you have another elder with them call him Blanco. Long story short, now the youth here Nicholas on the right. He might drive the boss car, him get shot and drive to the hospital. And leave the boss out there. Now, if you look to the left, the brother-in-law to the top left, him pick up the boss and drive the boss to the hospital. You see what I say? So, now we meet the player in this. We are going to dig a little bit deeper. So, follow the equation here. So, yo, people, I want you to follow me. Follow the equation. So now, Scary get leaked down and rumor fly. Say, the youth named Kirk send money from New York and deal with it. But some other rumor fly. Say a them man here. You see them man here? Me not have Kirk picture yet. When me get Kirk picture, me I will update it. Now, you see them man here, look on the left side of the screen. That Mike. Scary stand up beside him. And you see what it say? Mike name calling on all of the shooting them, including Scary. Now, in the middle, you see dog, him the right there, so he's a brother low key, him always a hold on him phone. Me have another picture with him and I entertain, and me I put that up in another thing, but that a dog, female name I call to. And if you look to the right of the screen, you see Johnny and Scary. So Johnny name I call. So, yo, the equation is, them say a man a foreign named Kirk send money and take care of Scary. Other equation is rumor fly. Say other youth on the left, Mike. Other youth your dog. And also them say that youth here. So more want to follow me people. So now more want to still follow the equation here. Now look on the screen in front of you. The youth here so him name Nani. And you see Nani a Johnny nephew. And him turn police. Now, him turn police and take with my gun. My gun them. And you see Johnny down there so, a female nephew this on the left and a Johnny on the right. So now, him go turn police Nani and take with a youth out here so blood Mike. And now, Mike, I worry Johnny can say Johnny know where I go and can nephew that. Yo, you see how the equation stay? Now people, look on the screen in front of you. You see that youth there, the black youth there in the white beater. Him name Willie. Read the heading, it say, Boaty, Willie, dead. Now, rumor of it say, a Mike lick him where, slap him where. And rumor of it say a Johnny slap him where. That's how serious the thing is in a Soviet, down in a sea view. As we move.
Get the picture for the dog. Once I'm popped in, gonna get in the mornings. Harry Blood Cloud, get the picture for the dog. Once I'm popped in, gonna get in the mornings. Harry Blood Cloud, get the picture for the dog. Once I'm popped in, gonna get in the mornings. Harry Blood Cloud, get the picture for the dog. Once I'm popped in.
Now people, we have to have another part of the video here. We might have to split it up in a 3 part. But, alright. We are doing the summary. Now, Scary dead. And when Scary dead, a 4 and bridging them were around him. Nicholas and the brother-in-law and some other man. Now, Nicholas jumping out the car after him get shot in his shoulder. Blow to hospital left Scary. Brother-in-law take him. But after that now, rumor with say boy, I want youth from bringing Kirk with the America send down money to deal with Scary. But rumor also have it say, I'm friend them, Johnny and the other youth there, Mike. Now, youth name will get caught up in it, because them say my boaty. And rumor have it say the two set of man them does him where. One rumor say this at one man, one rumor say at the other set of man. And then the youth now what you see in that video, him end up get slapped with to killer. Cause him get deported, and come back. And him get caught up in it too. So, that are the equation. I want to help me solve the equation. If you know who get rid of Scary, let me know. Because we are trying to solve that equation. Yeah. And as I said, we have another part to this video, part 2 coming up, where we have some video clips. And we will show the video clips and we will still tell the story of what's going on down a Soviet in a Seaview garden. Countryman, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification button. And like me said, follow me on that equation and help me solve that equation. What happened to Scary down a Soviet in a Seaview? Countryman out.